Want to make a stylish DIY hair scrunchie at home? In this easy beginner sewing tutorial, I'll show you how to sew a beautiful fabric scrunchie step by step. It's quick, easy, and perfect for using fabric scraps. For this DIY hair scrunchie, I'm using a 4x18-inch fabric piece and an 8-inch elastic. Fold the fabric in half with the right sides facing each other, then sew along the long edge. Turn the fabric scrunchie right side out, match the short ends, and pin them together. Sew across the ends, but remember to leave a small opening so we can insert the elastic in the next step. Once the elastic is inserted, sew the opening closed, and your beginner-friendly DIY hair scrunchie is ready. If you enjoyed this easy fabric scrunchie sewing tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner sewing projects. And if you're looking for more fabric scrap projects and easy sewing ideas, check out the link pinned in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed making this easy DIY hair scrunchie with me. See you in the next tutorial.